Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix EA Sports FC 26 input lag. Alright, let's begin. First, launch EA Sports FC 26. Then click on the settings icon in the top left corner of the main menu. Then open Settings again and select Game Settings. Now from the top menu, select and open Display. After that, set the display mode to borderless. Then turn off VSync. Then scroll down and turn on Dynamic Resolution Scaling. Set the Dynamic Resolution FPS target to 60 as well. After that, press Apply and Confirm to save the changes. Then completely close and restart the game. Once the game restarts, go to Kickoff and start a match. These settings should help reduce input lag, input delay, and slow motion issues while keeping game performance stable. That's it for this video. Thanks!